Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tanya. Welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So yeah guys, today is my birthday and today I am going to create this whole look, and it is going to be colorful, soft and subtle makeup. And if you are interested to know how do I created this look, then please watch the video till end. And also guys, all the product details are in description below, so don't forget to check it out. And also guys, I know that you can make this video reach 1000 likes. So please share this video with all of your friends and family. I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. So watch the video till end, and without any further ado, let's begin. So the first product which I'm going to use is this Tnw Rose water. And now I'm just going to dab this toner onto my skin. After toner, I'm going to use this Himalaya moisturizing cream and going to moisturize my face. If you have dry skin, then do moisturize your skin really well. मैंने अपने फेस को अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज कर लिया है और उसके बाद अब मैं यूज़ करूँगी प्राइमर. So today I'm going to use this Europegirl Paris oil primer to prime my face. So yeah guys, it's a oil based primer, so it also prime your face as well as moisturize it. It's a nice primer. It is going to blur my open pores and fine lines. And also मैं अपने लिप्स पे वैसलीन अप्लाई कर लूँगी ताकि मेरे लिप्स बिल्कुल भी ड्राई ना हो. Guys, you can see कि इस प्राइमर को अप्लाई करने के बाद मेरा फेस ग्लो हो रहा है. So yeah guys, today to correct and conceal my face, I'm going to use this palette which is from Europegirl Cosmetics. And also guys, मैं सारे प्रोडक्ट डिटेल्स को डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन कर दूँगी, तो आप चेक कर लीजिएगा. Now I am going to take this shade and going to conceal my face under eye area और जहाँ पे भी dark spots हैं, and here I am going to conceal this. So guys, you can see the difference कि इतने अच्छे से conceal हो गया है and बिल्कुल भी darkness नहीं है under eye पे. So in the same way I am going to conceal this as well. So guys, मैंने अपने फेस को अच्छे से कंसील कर लिया है and now I am going to apply foundation. So today I am going to use these foundations which are from Forever 52. Guys, मैंने अपने हैंड पे दोनों शेड्स को मिक्स कर दिया है. Now I am going to apply it all over my face. And also guys, I am going to apply some foundation on my neck. मैंने फाउंडेशन को अपनी नेक पे अप्लाई कर लिया है और उसके बाद मैं करूँगी अपने फेस पे हाइलाइटिंग एंड कॉन्टोरिंग. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस शेड टू हाईलाइट माय फेस. सो गाइस, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ब्लेंड दिस हाइलाइटर. Now I am going to use this Maybelline compact to set my base. I am just going to apply it very lightly all over my face. So guys, now I am going to contour my face, and for that I am using this Wetnwild megaglo contouring palette. I'm just going to contour my face very lightly. It is going to add some warmth to my face. Now I am taking this small angular brush to contour my nose. Now I am going to set my base, and for that I am using this Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. After spraying it, I'm just going to take my sponge and dab it all over my face. First I'm going to fill my brows, and for that I'm using this Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. Guys, before starting the eye makeup, I'm going to prime my eyes, and for that I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm going to apply it a very little on my eyelid. With the help of a sponge, I'm going to blend it. After blending it, I'm going to set it with some powder. So guys, as you can see, so many colors in my dress: blue, pink, yellow, lilac. So I'm going to use these shades on my eyelid. So guys, today I'm using this Colorboard eyeshadow palette, and from that first I'm going to use this purple tray. सबसे पहले मैं शेड को अपनी पूरी eyelid पे अप्लाई कर दूंगी. तो शेड को मैं अच्छे से अपनी पूरी eyelid पे अप्लाई करके ब्लेंड कर लूंगी. So now I am going to apply this shade on top of it. So now I am going to take this shade and going to create this smudge eyeliner. After applying this shade, I am going to blend it upward. So guys, now moving on to the lower lash line, I am going to apply this shade. And now I am going to apply this Wetnwild white kohl on my lower waterline. So guys, after cutting my lashes, I am going to apply this Maybelline hypercurl mascara. So guys, now I am going to apply this shade on the inner corners of my eyes. So guys, now the eye look is complete. I'm just going to apply my lashes later on. Now I'm going to apply a blusher. So after that, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and going to highlight my face. Now I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Now moving on to the lips, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. So guys, makeup is complete and I will be right back after wearing my falsies, which are from PAC. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. And so guys, yeah, this is my birthday look. It is colorful, but yeah, it is soft and subtle makeup. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you like this colorful eye look. Also guys, if you want to make my birthday more happier, then please give this video a big thumbs up. And also comment down below how much you like this look. And also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is in description below if you want to see my birthday updates. And also guys, you can comment below and tell me कि आप next makeup tutorial या skin care या hair care कौन सा video देखना चाहेंगे, and I would love to create it for you all. And also guys, please subscribe to my channel. अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, एंड ऑल्सो बगल में दिए गए बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि मैं जब भी वीडियो अपलोड करूँ आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आए और आप मेरा कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना करें. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video and मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Till then, take care. Bye guys.
Since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried